Hey folks, so this is going to be a video like you've never seen from me before. For those who don't know, I do a World of Warcraft podcast. It's been around for a few years, and I was sent this microphone. Now, the day you're seeing this microphone is now available for purchase. It is, likely, that if you play World of Warcraft and you have the Shadowlands expansion, which is coming out in late October, that the collection edition box will have an ad for this. Just a guess, but based on the timing I've seen, it's probably likely there. This is a item that was sent to me by, I think, the manufacturer, PR person for the manufacturer or something like that. And I'm really excited for this. So, just literally opening the bag that the box is wrapped in. So, this is the, let's see here, it is the Yeti X World of Warcraft microphone. I think it looks really cool from the box alone. I have a Yeti currently for my podcast setup, but this is the next level up for the Yeti models. Yeah, it's really cool. You can see, like I said, the box is there, and there's a little Shadowlands art in the back there, and there's the side as well. So now the really cool thing about this, and the thing that separates it from the other Yeti X microphones, is this one comes with World of Warcraft voice modulation at HD audio samples. And there are some features that will require the Logitech G Hub desktop app. The second half of this video will actually show you it in use and stuff. So yeah, let's take a look. Alright, immediately got a hole right on the top there just to pull up. Box, cardboard box outside of the flimsier display box. So, I think this is the way it's opened up. All right. So this is basically just a guide on how to use it, how to set it up, gain, headphone level, blend, metering, mute, patterns, what basically how to place the mic. Place it like this, not like this. And we got some safety and compliance and warranty information. There's the foam. All right, and there we go. There is the front of it. There's the dial on the back. And there's the front again. Now, I do want to kind of show you some of the really cool stuff. So the camera focuses in here. So around the base here, come on, I'll move my head behind. Okay, so around the base here, you see there's etchings of runes, dwarven runes from Warcraft. I don't know where exactly they're from. It might be like, well, they might actually be like Lich type runes from Warcraft. But kind of tilt this down. So this is kind of where it would sit proportional to my body. And then if I had it on desk, I would sit it here. And then there's dowels on the side to loosen up, tighten it up. If I want to make sure it sticks. I'll probably put this on a boom arm on my desk, which is where my current mic is. And it does come with USB cable for the mic, which is really all you need. I'm assuming the software that you need for this will be downloaded from the website. I don't see any CDs in here. And of course the silica gel is in there as well. So this is the blue Yeti X World of Warcraft model. And the Yeti X World of Warcraft Edition professional streaming USB mic with Blue voice. And the one thing I've always really appreciated about the Yeti mics is, like, I can take the microphone off this stand pretty easily. Works pretty painless to do so. Take out the screws on each side and it just slides right up so that I have the mic. Now I can thread it into the mic stand I have, which is really awesome. But the stand, these things are heavy. Like, for the weight of the product, I think the stand probably weighs more than the mic, which is good because you don't want it to pick up too much vibration from your keyboard. You don't want it to have too much stuff getting in the way. And I think that's absolutely great. So yeah, there is the World of Warcraft Blue Yeti X. I think it looks awesome. I can't wait to use it. Yeah, we'll pick this up in a bit when I've got this out of my computer. You'll probably see a bit of a cut here because I'm not sure when I'll be able to actually do the rest of this video, but you'll see me in my regular office, and let's cut to that now. Hey folks, so as I said later, wearing different clothes and all that stuff, so this is with my new microphone setup. Sounds great. I already record my podcast with that mic. Sounds beautiful. What you're hearing right now is the broadcaster option, what you would do when you're streaming or podcasting or whatever you're doing for content creation without any side effects or anything like that. But what I find currently fun about this mic is sound effects. Now, there's only 5 right now, but they have said by launch there'll be lots more and there'll be lots of different options. So let's take a look at what the different current voice effects are for this mic, and this is done in the Logitech G Hub software, how you control the sound effects for the Yeti X World of Warcraft edition. We changed to bass boost, which is what they recommend, changed to effects, and then we're going to try the first one, and this is Warcraft Orc.
This is what I would sound like as a Orc of Orgrimmar, leaders of the Horde.
This is how it sounds as a mild-mannered gnome of Gnomercon or Ironforge.
This is how it sounds if I was a very excited gnome, also of Gnomercon or Ironforge.
If I was a demon of the Burning Legion, this is how I'd sound.
And if I was an imp of the Burning Legion, this is how I'd sound.
Now there are lots of other options. There's a variety of ones that are not related really to the Warcraft side of things. But like I said, there will be more when they finally launch, and it's really cool. As well, there's a second feature, which is a samples section, which you can go through and you can play and use samples from a variety of things, from spells and characters in World of Warcraft Shadowlands. You can take samples from Bolvar, Jaina, Sylvanas, Thrall, and I'm sure there'll be more eventually. And then there's also spells, miscellaneous, ambiance, environment, creatures, and interface. So there's going to be lots of really cool things, and I'm really excited to see what all they put in here. You can make a whole audio drama with what they've got here. I'm sure they can make some really funny sounding stuff here. So definitely check it out and see what you like when you get your own WoW edition of the Yeti X. That's going to be about it. Thank you very much for tuning in and paying attention and watching my little review here. Please do check out the show at allthingsazeroth.com. We are All Things Az on Twitter. And, well, to hear you soon. Cheers.